our wonderful, I don't know how you say that, Marae tankless water heater that we bought a few years ago and I put in and works great. Well, I forgot to turn the heat lamp on during this February 4th, 2022 Texas ice storm. And let's see what happened to our wonderful water heater. I'll take the cover off. Look at that. Busted a hole in the pipe. You know, it'd be nice if that's the only hole, because I'm gonna go see if I can get my little torch and my solder. I want to see if I can rig that back together so we can have a shower tonight. Poor little water heater. All right, so I pushed that back up in there and I tried to solder it back together, but my handy little torch just was not able to get this copper pipe hot enough to let me do a proper brazing job on there. The solder wouldn't stick. So, emergency fix number 2 is going to be some epoxy. Alright, so I'm going to use this putty. It has 2 different parts that you mix together, and it's water weld. You can even set underwater. So I believe I used this type before on a water heater pipe, and it actually lasted for a couple of years. So we will see what we can do. I'll roughen up the area with this coarse file so that the epoxy will have some rough surface to stick to. See, there's 2 parts to it. In the center, you see it's a different color. On the outside, it's different. One is the, I guess, epoxy, and one's a hardener. I'm gonna pinch off a piece and I gotta mix it up until it's all one color. Yeah, keep smushing it up until it's all mixed up real good so that the hardener and the epoxy are all mixed together. And you kind of just carefully like form it around there, and then we're gonna let it sit and harden up for hours. I'm gonna put the heat lamp on it. Alright, so now for extra support, I've split a piece of rubber fuel line and put it over the place where it's cracked, and hose clamped it tight on there to get extra pressure. And it looks terrible, but if it gets us another 1 or 2 showers while we're waiting for our new one to be shipped, it'll be alright. Alright, I just turned on the water. Looks like it's holding. That looks terrible. But like I said, this is a temporary emergency fix. Yep. Alright, we're going to turn it on and see what happens. I don't have the cover on, but the fire's burning. So far it's looking good. So, alright, so hopefully this will hold up for enough time for us to get a couple showers, and then our new water heater will show up and I can install it right in this place. And next time I'll turn the heat lamp on so it doesn't freeze.